In a medical emergency, you don't want to wait around for help to arrive, but EMS staffing shortages are an increasing concern in rural towns in southeastern Minnesota. According to state data, more than 3,000 first responders have left the field, then entered into it. KIMT News 3's Brandon Cote takes us to Altura as the city's ambulance service increases recruitment efforts through public EMS training classes.
The city of Altura is putting on an EMS training class in hopes to recruit more volunteers to join its ambulance services, as Altura and many other rural towns are facing staffing shortages.
It's just difficult to find people that are able to help us.
Staffed by all volunteers, Fire Chief Dan Horvat, who also works in ambulance services, says the city is scrambling for EMS workers.
At least 5, 6, 7 of them for sure would be a great asset just to help us out so we're not struggling so hard.
The city has attempted to recruit providers through grants, social media, and word of mouth.
And anything we can do and trying our best.
But the department is still short by about 10 volunteers.
I don't know what's the perfect way. I don't know if anybody knows that right now in this environment.
Chief Horvat says it takes about 25 minutes for a neighboring ambulance to arrive in Altura.
That could be the difference between life and death.
One St. Charles resident taking the class is hoping to step up for Winona County.
In smaller communities, we don't have as many opportunities as we would, especially in Rochester with Mayo Clinic. It's such a big hospital, and around here, we don't really have that.
She goes on to say it would be a privilege to serve her small community.
Like knowing that I can help my community, and in a smaller community, it's easier to do.
I'm told if you are interested in joining one of these EMS training classes, head over to Southeastern Minnesota's EMS website to see what classes are available in your area. In Altura, Brandon Cote, KIMT News 3.
Data from the state of Minnesota shows on average there are more than 700,000 calls for an ambulance in Minnesota every year.